I'm gonna get my hair braided. Again, I know I literally just had braids, but this is gonna be so different. So I'm gonna bring y'all along. But this is the vibe. She's tea, she's full, she's luscious. You know, she is that girl.
We can go put some curls in this baby. This is cute. This is me after getting my braid down by Liz. Okay, guys. So now we can put some curls in the hair.
Okay, we're back. We're back home. This has been a full day's event. So now I'm gonna put some curls in my hair. I'm gonna use this Cecred Moisture Sealing Lotion. And I'm gonna use a mousse. This is for my let's get into this hair. I'm a bit flustered though because I'm supposed to be going out in a few hours, which means I need to do my makeup, figure out what to wear. And my hair is still like, we're figuring it out still. But I'm trying to see if this mousse and this product are not gonna flake. So I put it on the back of my hand. Let's add some more mousse. This is how I test out all of my products to make sure they're not gonna flake. Okay, this is good. This is not gonna flake. First I thought maybe I should do a wash and go, but I feel like a twist out would probably be best. My only thing is, I don't know how this is all supposed to dry before I go out. First we're gonna go with the mousse. Then we're gonna do the Cecred. I'm gonna just wet my hand and go like this. I love when my hair is braided. It just like, it gives me a facelift. I hope this style comes out really nice. Right now it's 5 o'clock. My friend says she'll probably be here at like 8:30. It shouldn't take me more than 30 minutes to do my makeup. So I think I'm just concerned about this part of it, the curls looking good. I've never twisted so fast in my life. I got like 20 minutes to take this out and get dressed before my ride gets here. So let's love, love, love Cecred smell. I love how the Cecred oil smells. I love how Cecred smells in general. Let's get into this face. Okay. Now that my face is done, I'm like, I could literally live. I could walk out the house like this. This is so cute. hair is still wet. All right, it's been exactly a week since the last video, the last clip that you saw. I actually didn't even show you guys the actual hairstyle that night and how bomb it looked. I'll insert some clips from my iPhone, but this is really a week later. The curls are still holding. I think the secret is that I sprayed some holding spray on my hair that same night on the loose, like on the curls, because it was still wet when I took down my curls. And this is me a week later. I know y'all don't like to show the back of your hair, but I'm gonna show you the back of mine anyway. So I think this is a really bomb style. I will be honest, I don't like how it falls down. I wish it kind of stood up. I feel like if I did like a wash and go, that shrinks my hair a little more, so it tends to like stand up. So yes, this is 1 week later. Let me know whatever questions you guys have about this hairstyle. I really think this hairstyle is so tea. Like, I adored this hairstyle on me so much. The braid section also looks really good. I might keep this same style for like 3 weeks and I'll just keep refreshing the curls. But then the braids, I think I'll keep for 3 weeks before I try a new hairstyle. So ask me any questions in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay gorgeous.